everyone, welcome back to shoe-barb. Today I will be putting my straps on my sandals with shoe nails. This is just a little short video showing you how I attach my straps with my shoe nails. So I'm taking a shoe nail here and I'm going to put it on the four corners of the strap inside the sole, and I'm going to hammer it down. Right here I messed up on putting my shoe nail in, and it went in a little crooked, so I'm taking it out right now. So I'm using my hammer, and this hammer is a little bit heavy for my shoe nail, but you're doing crinkled shoe nails. What happens is when you hammer the nail down in the sole, the nail crinkles and like it turns sideways to get a good grip into the sole. So it crinkles inside the vegetable tan leather, which is my second part of my sandal sole. But here I have a lightweight weighted hammer, which does great, but you just got to put a little force behind it to get the nail down in it. It kept me from making the nail go crooked, so I used that smaller hammer instead of the bigger hammer. But yeah, right here I'm just putting a little force behind it to get it down in there. But shoe nails are a great way to keep your scraps down in sandals. I used to use glue. Once I skive my scrap, and then I'll glue it down, but that wasn't working too well for me. So once I put the split into my sandals, I'll just use the shoe nails, and so far it's working out great for me. And it puts a little, little detail on your sandal sole. So I'm kind of liking that. So that was me putting it in a little crooked. So I'm taking it, kind of taking it back out and moving it around to make sure I hammer it down into that scrap to keep the scrap sturdy. So next I'm going to be putting more slits into the soles to attach my other scraps onto it, and I'm going to have a toe ring scrap, so you'll see that along in my little clips. So stay tuned, and I will be back on my next videos to share various clips. So thanks for watching, and just stay tuned. Thanks for watching.